This morning we're showing another bathroom remodel that we recently completed. This bathroom remodel started with an unforeseen leak in the shower. And so you know how projects do. They do grow over time without you necessarily planning that. But because of that, the homeowner is able to get a much larger shower than she had before. We did the Onyx material for our shower pan and our shower walls, expanded it both deeper and longer by probably 6 to 10 inches in both directions. So it has lots of nice elbow space now and gives much more room in that shower. Because of that, we did Onyx panels with the knee wall, and on the outside of the shower wall, we did wood panels that matched the cabinetry. In order to make the shower bigger, we did have to modify the cabinets a bit, so we made this stack of drawers smaller than they were before, but we were able to match the profile on the door fronts with the existing cabinets. New countertops with MSI quartz, undermount rectangle sinks, and this is another case where we needed mirrors for each sink that were different sizes, but we wanted them to match. So we did the Mirror Mates frames, and we were able to get those mirrors exactly the size we needed, and we're able to use the sconces on each side. Then we replaced the tub, because you know your tub has to be the right color to go with the new shower. So we have an MTI air bubble tub in the oval configuration, and we use the quartz countertop material for the tub deck. Makes it really easy to clean, really continuity of the whole project. Also wood panels on the front of the tub skirt. And we think that, you know, so many people are doing freestanding tubs today, but there's certainly a case for using a drop-in tub. It's easy because the height is not so tall. It's easy to sit. You've got space for setting your toiletries. If you've got children or grandchildren that like to use this space and you want to help them, it's much more convenient for those little ones to take advantage. So it's a really nice project. We love the green paint that really gives a nice richness and brings in some nature. And point out also the mixed finishes where we use the champagne bronze and the light fixtures along with the brushed nickel, faucetry, and hardware. So it turned out really great. It's a nice big space, and I think the homeowner's really enjoying it.